Hi everyone, we are going to make garlic pickles with vinegar in Persian style. The first step, you have to clean the whole garlics. Actually the skin, the top skin, you can just remove all of them. And in this way. If your garlic has a root, you need to cut the root. Almost is clean now. It doesn't matter if one glove is separated, you can just put together, it doesn't matter. Okay, to make this medicine garlic pickles, it is really is medicine. We need a glass jar, vinegar, which is better to use apple cider vinegar. Also sweetener is required, which can be used palm sap, maple syrup, rice malt syrup, or if you are not vegan, you can use honey. Also, you can use sugar if you want, because maybe you don't have any of them, so you can use sugar instead. And in this style, we don't cook anything, so it is totally traditional way, and it is very yummy. When you cook, so some benefits of garlic will remove. Cooking is not good for even if you, for example, eat anything, very fresh vegetables, always is better. But if you cook by heating, always no food losing some benefits, vitamins or something. Actually, when we use because we use vinegar, so still is a similar cooking process, but better than cooking. I have another natural option instead of cooking, which I will show you. For example, here we can see one glove has problem, and just we can pick it up. You have to make sure all gloves are healthy. Always remember, in market you can find some garlics. They are very white garlics. They are China. I think they come from China. In China you can find very good product or very bad products, but this garlic, the white one, is very cheap as well. It is very unhealthy garlic because maybe they use a lot of chemical fertilizers, so better you don't use that type of garlics. The garlic looks little bit pink color, almost or better. If you can find the original one or an organic one, would be the best choice. But if you cannot, even the pink one always is better than the white one. It is very important point. And we are making in natural way, no cooking, no mashing, only the whole garlics. As much as we can put the whole garlics, and just skin off the tiny skin on the top. And our people try to sterilize and clean, but when you use vinegar, you don't need to clean. I already clean I wash it and didn't clean it my jars, but I mean, we don't need sterilizing because the vinegar working for us in this way. You can keep it in your balcony or in your backyard, which sunlight directly can cook the garlic in natural way. Similar fruits, and when you buy in nature has a fruit, but we think this is raw, but it is not raw. They are cooked in natural way. So you can do this process and cook this one in natural way. Maybe in 1 month, maybe 2 months would be enough. You can start to eat. But another point, maybe you don't know. As much as older, more valuable. Same as wine. In my country, when we have 7 years garlic pickles, is more expensive. And it is very important to know. Persian style, they have something, I have garlic pickles 10 years. No, it is similar medicine, because for a long time, slowly garlic process together, melting together. Even you cannot believe it, it is real similar medicine. Open your veins, it is very healthy for high blood pressure and in medical issues. Okay, now is the time to use actually to add vinegar. It is the best choice if you use apple cider vinegar, but I don't have apple cider vinegar, just this one is I have from before, so I'm using this one. The traditional way in Persian garlic pickles, they use this way, and I had from before, so I didn't want to buy. Actually, I'm going to become raw vegan, so I don't think I have chance to use this one, because in raw vegan diet we are not allowed to have a vinegar. So maybe I just give to some of my friends. Okay, we open the vinegar. This is very simple way and traditional way. So after a while, maybe the vinegar little bit go down, maybe after 1 day, and you can add vinegar to fill out. In my idea, maybe this one would be enough or a little bit more, but if you are more sweet, you can add 2-3 spoons of this one. This is a little bit big teaspoon. Another point, maybe after a few days you feel, your garlic getting greeny. Don't worry, just keep it. Gradually it will change the color. I want to show you my 1-year-old garlic pickles. Actually, I made it a lot. Last time I forgot to take my it's finishing. And you can see this is my 1-year garlic pickle. This is so yummy, so delicious, and we use this one with some food while we are eating the food, rice and stew, and this one beside that food is so yummy. And this garlic would be changed the color in this way. As much as older, more darker. More darker, more medicine. Just you have to be patient, but it is the best one. You can make in big jars and keep it for a long time. And doesn't matter how long it takes time you eat it. Even after a few years, it's more valuable. So it doesn't have any expiry date. Don't worry about that. The final step. On mine, I can see a little bit vinegar is very full, but doesn't matter. We can just like the put the lid, but not too much strong, and let's see if gas or something, even maybe because little bit the volume maybe change, so you can put something in there such as this one, and if the vinegar drop it outside, doesn't make dirty around, so I have to put this one in my balcony. Here you are. Here is my balcony. I put on the table in front of sunlight. So that's it. And after 1 month, it's ready to eat and very easy to make it. No too much process. Final result is perfect.